For a Philadelphia Eagles-themed Super Bowl party, consider serving a spread that celebrates the city's iconic flavors with hearty, crowd-pleasing dishes. Here's a menu that balances traditional Philly favorites with classic game day fare. Main dishes: set up a Philly cheesesteak bar. Thinly sliced ribeye, sautéed onions, peppers, mushroom. Cheese options: provolone, American, and cheese with fresh hoagie rolls. Roast pork sandwiches. Slow roasted pork shoulder with sharp provolone and crusty Italian roll. Hoagie platter. Assorted Italian hoagies with deli meats, provolone, lettuce, tomato, onion, and vinaigrette. Buffalo chicken. Dip. Creamy, spicy dip with shredded chicken, hot sauce, cream cheese, and blue cheese crumble. Soft pretzels. Philly-style soft pretzels with mustard, cheese sauce, and honey mustard for dipping. Side dishes: crab fries, seasoned fries with Old Bay seasoning, served with a creamy cheese dipping sauce. Tasty cake sampler. Tray a variety of tasty cakes, including butterscotch crimpets, candy cakes, and peanut butter. Tandy cake. Italian potato salad. Made with olive oil, vinegar, fresh herbs, and roasted red peppers. Coleslaw. Crisp, tangy slaw to complement the rich sandwiches. Appetizers and finger foods. Mini cheesesteak, egg rolls. Crispy egg rolls filled with cheesesteak ingredients, served with sriracha ketchup. Scrapple bite. Pan-fried scrapple cubes served with spicy maple syrup for dipping. Pierogi platter. Potato and cheese pierogies sautéed with onions and served with sour cream. Deviled eggs with a twist. Add a dash of hot sauce or crispy bacon crumbles to make them game day ready. Desserts. Eagles-themed cupcake. Green and white frosted cupcakes with edible team logos or football decoration. Liberty Bell chocolate bar. dark and white chocolate swirled with green sprinkles and pretzel bits. Cannoli dip. Sweet ricotta-based dip served with broken cannoli shells and graham crackers. Beverages. Philadelphia-style lager or craft beer. Yuengling, Victory Brewing, or local Philly craft option. The Green Machine Cocktail. Midori, vodka, lemonade, and a splash of soda for a refreshing team-colored drink. Non-alcoholic option. Lemonade, iced tea, and a green punch made with lime sherbet and ginger ale. This spread blends Philly favorites with game day classics, perfect for cheering on the Eagles. Fly, Eagles, fly! Thanks for watching. Please like the video and comment below. Please click on subscribe and share with your friends.